Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have a ceramic gingerbread house and it is full of gingerbread cookies. These are from Little Debbie, and what I want to do is I want to do a creation in front of you so we can do this together. I have some other items here like these pieces of cardboard I've used before for Christmas. And I have some coasters here. I also have some nutcrackers, some drums, trees. I have some straws, and I have some gingerbread people here. So let's see what we can do with this. So I'm going to place the camera right here. We're going to remove this. And we are going to use these first. Okay. So I want to use one at the end here, right there at the end. And I want to use one right here and the other one right here, like a walkway, okay? Like there. And I think we can add another one to the side here, right there. And another one here. So 4 altogether, just like this. So we're going to place the ceramic gingerbread house right at the end, in the middle right here, right there. Okay, this is what it's looking like. And then we're going to add some of these to the sides. We'll place another one on this side to fill up this area here. Okay, and then we have one more. Well, no, we have two more. So I'll just add one more to this side right here. Okay, so we filled up the area, and I have one more. So this one I'm going to place it right across, right here, like that. Okay. All right, now we have some other items. I have the trees. So why don't we place the trees on the side here? I have 2 trees. Okay. Then I have some straws here which match these pieces of cardboard. So I'm just going to place it right there at the end. I also have the gingerbread people. So let's place one there and one right here. Okay. Let's place the trees closer to the house. Okay. Now let's add some other pieces. So I have these drums here and I have these nutcrackers. So what I'm going to do is on the sides I am going to place the 2 red ones right here. So this is the walkway. Then I have the drums. So I'll add them to the sides just like that. And I have my green nutcrackers. So I'll place them right here at the end in the front. Oops. Right here. We'll fix this here. Right there. Okay. And I have something else. So we have the coasters. Remember those coasters? So we're going to place these right here. One there. The other one adjoining to it. Another one here. And one more. Okay. So now I have 2 of these, 2 ornaments. So I'm going to place this right here. And then place the little one on the side. And that's it. I think we have our gingerbread creation here. Remember, this is full of gingerbread cookies. Beautiful house. The trees on the sides. The gingerbread people. The walkway with the coasters. The drums on the sides. And the nutcrackers on the sides. So that is it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this creation. And happy holidays to everyone.